Buenchenko against Tikboy. Buenchenko attacks. No good. Cabrera with the board. Ayan na si Tikboy. Nagmamadali. Binigay kay Tiburcio sa ilalim against Tukor. Tiburcio with the spin. Using the glass partner.
Partner nito mga tagasan ng dress dito.
Ayan na. Balyon. One-on-one against Julius Tiburcio. Balyon. Hands it off to Manlangit. Manlangit attacks. Drop pass. But there's Tikboy. Is ahead. Del Rosario attacks. What a shot, partner! And he'll stare down, partner!
Pabati daw. Sige, mamaya-maya papasadaan ko itong greetings ni brother na si Giovanni Paolo. Maya-maya. And of course, boss. And one play! Ito sa larong ito.
Yun na yung sinasabi ko nga, partner, ang role nito dito sa game natin. Kasi,
Look at that.
yan, partner. And double ano doon, partner. Double whammy ang sinasabi natin kasi ni Palyapre doon sa pick na binigay niya kanina. But again, medyo in-off to take that shot.
Tama. At ayan. Wala kay Eugene Palyapre ang long pass to Tristan Obalde. Pasok yan! May kasama pang foul. Wala. So, bonus shot for Tristan Obalde to tie the ball game kung may papasok na ito. Violation! Okay. Mga sa tingin ko lang. Mga sa tingin ko lang. Alvin Tixon! Hits another from downtown!
Ayun na, Regalado. Stolen by Tikboy. And that is a bad pass by Ryan Regalado, partner. Tagle, Euro, reverse and scores!
Relocation sa Anis Vlog. Marlon, salamat for watching. Marlon Austria. Rather it's Tikboy Dolosario. Spins and fades away and makes the shot!
Ito ni Jonathan Balyon dito. As we take a look at itong replay natin, partner. Napakagandang move on the part of Jonathan De Rosario, partner.
Grabe. Only a very confident and talented player can do that. Balyon still can't hit. Ayan na. Tikboy Dolosario fires from 3! Yes! That's his first 3-pointer of the ballgame. Ubalde, bigay kay Eugene Palyapre. Eugene Palyapre, hirap. Ayan sa depensa ni Simanes. 7 seconds to shoot. Ubalde. Binigay kay Eugene. That's another beautiful play!
Yung maturity nitong team na to, partner, coming from the first game against San Andres, and now itong semifinals natin, talaga maganda ang pinapakita nitong team dito.
Tulay to Medellila, binigay kay Malmadrid, heavily defended by Ubalde. At yan na naman ang transition play ng mga taga-Biga. Oh! Play! That's a crowd pleaser!
Big difference dito sa larong ito. Kita mo naman. Titingnan natin yan ulit.
After that miss, nandun si Borbe. Ooh! Ilagay mo na yan sa top play of the week.